Today's version of Dark Nest Travels is a DIY for you, and guess what I'm going to be doing? Yeah, you guessed it. Pocket door. First things first, we got to remove this, which I have already done once. And then we pull this door out, and I'll show you what lies up here. This was the wood that was up there. It's held in by like 4 real flimsy nails that I have to replace. Now there's the track that it slides on. Alright, I got these replacement parts here from Newmar. They were kind enough to look up the part number for me just by picture and VIN number. They sent me, I ordered an extra one to have a spare, so here we are. As you see, there's one, and there's the other one. That right there holds that pin in. See how that moves back? And this pin slides out. And there we go. Is exactly what these look like. I know I didn't find any video online, but that's what they look like. This snaps around this. And that goes on the track up there. Good time to check everything inside there and make sure it's all good to go. And it looks like it is. I got the old wheel out, but that's where the pocket door slides into. I think I might replace, because see the plastic there, and the new part actually looks better built. So I think this is going to replace the older plastic. Brand new one. Moment of truth right there.
Did you buy a new lock for that door too?
That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out my other DIYs, work camping experiences, and our travels through the US. Thanks for coming by. See you soon.